I make over $500 just by selling ebook online, and to write this ebook, you don't have to have the knowledge of the topic you are writing about. With the help of AI and with the strategy I will show you in this video, you don't need no experience, no knowledge. You go ahead and search for keyword, and I will use AI to write what the AI generated. So I'll be using DeepSeek in this video to write my ebook and show you how DeepSeek can actually help you to write a free random ebook and you can start to sell. So you can go ahead and upload the book on Amazon KDP, or you can go ahead and upload this book on this platform where you can get paid in different currency for your ebook. So what I've earned over here also is over $50 already, and this right here is just one ebook that have make me over $50. So with just few minutes right here, if you have over 100 of books randomly, you'll be earning over $100 monthly with this strategy I will show you in this video. So with just 20 books right here, over the years, with the help of AI, I've earned over $80, and there are some other ebook get paid directly on with this strategy I use on them. So the first thing we need to do right here is for us to go ahead and look for the right keyword. So the right keyword I'll be searching for right here is I want to write a book about a meal for a bodybuilder. So for a bodybuilder right here, I'll come over here and write body building, as this is the book I'm looking for. So with the help of the extension I have on my Chrome, which you can also go ahead and add to your Chrome. So this right here are the trending keyword for this topic. So I will go ahead right here and copy this to my own Word document or for your own notepad. So this right here is what I'll be writing about. So for someone who wants to use an AI, so you go ahead to your DeepSeek. So as this is what I'll be using for my ebook. So the first prompt I'll be putting on DeepSeek is this prompt right here, which says, I want you to be act an expert author, and I want you to write as many as possible book title you can generate from the keyword I'll be pasting very soon, and only use whatever I paste, no keyword stuffing. You see this no keyword stuffing right here is very important thing you need to put in your prompts. So going back right here where I copied my keyword on Amazon is where I actually copy my keyword. So when you copy your keyword, you paste it already on a Word document, then you come over right here and write this prompt right here. So you copy all the keywords you generated for the book you want to write about. So right here is the keyword I generated from want to write about a book called A Bodybuilding Meal. So that is the main important title I'm looking for. So right here is after sending out my keyword. So DeepSeek AI generated over 20 book title I can write about. So you go ahead and looking for the best book you can go. So I can go ahead with this 6, or I can also go ahead with number 7. So I'll be going with muscle growth and fat burn and the ultimate shredded body cookbook. So this topic is what I would like to write about, and I don't have no knowledge about this topic at all. So with this help of AI, I'll use this prompt also to get started. So I say, okay, here is the book title. So I type out the book title, which is muscle growth and fat burn, and also the ultimate shredded book cookbook. So I write this is a book title which you'll be using to write the book content along with the chapters or topic to cover each section of the book. So I'm asking DeepSeek, do you understand my request? So it said, yes, I understand your request. So right here is the outline generated by AI. So right here is the introduction where they mention the words I will talk about. The subtopic which is welcome to your shredded body journey, the science of the music growth and fat. These are like the reason for the growth and fat burn, and how you can also use this cookbook. And right here is a part 1 which mention the free topics you will talk about. So this right here already outline how this book will be arranged, or how this book will be categorized and sector. So I don't need to think much about what to write about, as this already have been defined. So the next one I'll talk about, go ahead and copy the first one, which is I'll go and copy the introduction. So just copy the introduction. You don't need any prompts. Just go ahead and paste this right here. So when you paste this right here, this AI understand what you mean is that you want to elaborate this introduction. So you go ahead and elaborate your introduction, which says congratulations on taking the first step toward transforming your book and achieving your fitness goals. So you are trying to start motivate the readers by congratulating them by taking the first step, because taking the first step transforming your body is actually a big, it require a big boldness. So right here is you motivating them and appreciating them want to transform their body. So as to use this cookbook, so you go ahead and copy all this to your Word document. So you copy all this to your Word document. So this right here, I've already finished the introduction set with no help from you. You don't even need the knowledge. So what next you'll be doing right here is what we call you humanizing your content. So after you have generated your content, what you need next is for you to humanize it. And this right here, if you write it directly like this to your book and you upload your book might be flagged for AI content rating or AI book. So what you need first is for you to go ahead to this website called aitestconverter.com. So on this website right here, you can convert your AI text generated from either ChatGPT or any other AI like DeepSeek and convert this to an humanized text. So I'll go ahead and copy this. So let me copy from this right here and let's go and paste it right here. So then you input your captcha code, which is 5368. So you click on humanize. So this right here is already humanizing. So you can go ahead and do this before you complete your book. As you can see right here, is this AI changing the few word and the few punctuation that will make this book to be detected as an AI. As you can see, that's changed some few words right here and it's right like an woman. So this is how you can do. So let's go ahead and check this out. If this will still show you an AI text written, so you can also go ahead to this platform called zerogpt.com. So on this platform, you can find out if your text is AI written or a plagiarism. So I'll go ahead and click on the text right here. So I'll go ahead and check the text and see. Okay, it says I should input more text for accurate text. So let's go ahead and copy more text. Copy all this. Okay, let's copy it and let's go ahead and paste it on humanize text. Okay, so right here is me trying to refresh the page so it's done. Okay, so we go ahead, so you paste it right here. So you can only paste a few words, so let's go ahead and input our captcha code, so which is 99. So after pasting the word, I click on humanize the word and this is what is being generated. So I'll go ahead and copy this text right here. So let's go back to our ZeroGPT to check if this text is still an AI written or it has been changed to humanize content written. So let's click on the text right here. So you can see right here it say your text is human written. Zero AI GPT. So this right here is what you can use also for your book, and you can also go ahead to this platform called duplichecker.com to paste your content to check if your content does not have any plagiarism sentence or words that can lead you to flagging your book on Amazon or any other platform you are planning to upload your book. So this right here is how you can go ahead and write a simple ebook. Go ahead, search for free keyword on Amazon or any other platform. Go ahead to this AI using the prompts I provided to generate the title of the book. You generate the outline and you can also generate the content, and with the help of AI text converter you can convert your text to humanize content. Then you can go ahead to AI detector, which is 0gbt.com, detect if your content is human written or AI written. So you can also use plagiarism to test your content if there is no any plagiarism to avoid flagging your ebook on Amazon KDP or any other platform you are uploading your book. So with this strategy of mine, I can show you can do a random ebook online and you can make thousands of dollars from just doing simple thing by using AI to write your book on the trending keyword and you posting on the right platform using the right keyword and SEO. You can make a lot of money doing this. So guys, if you gain value from my video, go ahead and subscribe, as I will be making videos on how you can make money online, how you can earn money directly to your bank account. So I talk about cryptocurrency. I also talk about free tools that you can use to earn money online. So guys, thank you for watching. Go ahead and subscribe and comment in the description box. Thank you.